My name is Tom Lucchetti and this is my Organifi story. Well, my wife and I spend most of our time with our kids. They're 7, 5, and 3. Our big passion's motocross racing. We travel all around New England. We're in a J-Day off-road series. I race and my oldest son races, and we're active traveling around and camping out at all the events. Before Organifi, I had been gaining weight steadily each year. I knew it was time to make a change because my doctor was starting to tell me that I should be on a statin drug. My cholesterol was high, my triglycerides were high, and then I decided to get back into racing, and my son and I went to our first event. He was 5 years old and he watched me finish dead last in the field. I wouldn't let him see me quit, but I knew I could do better than that, and I knew I needed to start losing weight and get more energy and get some strength to be in a motocross series. Well, the first time I even heard about Organifi was a Facebook video by Drew Canoli, and he talked about the top 10 reasons why you should stop drinking your whey protein and switch over to a vegan plant-based protein. It was all new information to me. I'd never heard any of that before. I wasn't the type of person that would just go right out and buy whatever's on my Facebook feed. I fact-checked it, I went to health food stores. I looked for something along those lines, and the things I tried didn't really taste very good. So I tried Organifi, and it tasted great. My life from a health standpoint has totally changed. My blood work is perfect, my cholesterol is down, triglycerides are down, my weight's down 60 pounds. I've held that off for 2 years. I have no fear of gaining it back. From an athletic standpoint, I'm able to race in the motocross series that we're in and recover within 2 or 3 days. My friends and family have complimented me. They've seen the change. It happened fast. And I think a lot of them think that I just have a higher level of willpower, and that's not true. With Organifi, I'm able to control cravings and trust the signals that I get for hunger. Well, my wife's a great cook, and we've already started experimenting with it. We make these really good protein waffles with the Organifi vanilla protein. That's our tradition before every race now. We have those with some pure maple syrup. She started putting the green juice in with guacamole, which has been fantastic. So Drew's always posting new recipes, and I think we've probably just scratched the surface of what we'll do with it. I love the green juice because of the taste. It has a cool, minty taste to it. I didn't think it would be my favorite just looking at it, but I crave it every day, 11 a.m. I make it with 8 ounces of water, a little bit of crushed ice, and it tastes perfect. I love the red juice because it fits in perfect with my afternoon drive. I have it around 4:30. It gives me that little bit of extra energy to just close out the day, finish out the things I have to do at home, yard work, setting up our bikes, packing our camper for racing, whatever I got to do after work. It kind of gets me through that lull at the end of the day. I love the complete protein because that's my breakfast every day. I have it with 10 ounces of almond milk, some chia seeds. I shake it up on my drive in. I have it post-workout, after races. It's perfect. I love the Organifi Gold because it's our perfect ending to the day. I make one for me, one for my wife. I make it with 8 ounces of hot water. I add it to my post-workout shakes too after racing. I know it's great for recovery with the turmeric and ginger, so I have it for that. And it's my late night snack. Somebody on the fence about buying it, I'd tell them just go for it, buy it in bulk, get the bundle discount, and start enjoying the benefits right away.